So it's looking pretty good. One thing you could also do if you wanted to, if you needed to add a voiceover for whatever reason. So let's say I have audio here. I have the audio from the clips, and so now I'm ready to add my own audio. Now I could tell you right away that this audio is going to be, the music is going to be too loud to hear any voiceover. So actually, before I start recording my voiceover, I probably want to go in here and lower the music. So a couple ways to do that. In this expanded view, if I hover my mouse right over the center of those two left and right audio channels, I see an up and down arrows next to my mouse there. If I click and drag down, you see that line going down and the decibels going down there. This, I'm actually lowering the audio. So let me play it now. So it's getting a little lower. Let me keep going down. Oh, sorry, turn it back. So it's now really low. So now I hear the audio. Since I'm using music and I'm going to do voiceover, I don't even want to keep the audio attached to the video clips anymore. So if I select those, I don't want to hit delete quite yet because you can see how it's attached to the video file. If I were to hit delete on the keyboard while that's selected, it's going to delete both the audio and the video. One way around that is to lock the video track. And how you do that is, see this little lock over here? If I click that, it then locks down the video track. So at this point, then I can select the audio, hit delete. Select the audio, hit delete. So now I have no more audio attached to the video clips. I'm going to unlock it, and now I should just have the music. It's pretty low. I'll just a little bit later once we get the voiceover, but just wanted to show you how to do that. So let me take this all the way back, and let me show you how to do a voiceover. Now, as long as your mic is properly connected to your computer, you should not have no problem with this. If you need to connect your microphone, if you go up to Edit, Preferences, Audio Hardware, you can see right here default input, default output. So default input would be your microphone. Just change that to there and you should be all set. Mine's already set up, so I don't need that. But basically at this point, you can record your audio wherever your playhead is. And also make sure wherever you click on this microphone that that audio track is free. So obviously I would not want to click the microphone that is with the music. I'm going to go where there's empty space, which is where we just deleted in this case, or I could have done it down here. So when I click this microphone, it's going to give me a countdown. And then what you're ready? Well, I hear my voice through the speakers, but I would lower the speakers and then record this. And when I'm done, I can just hit the space bar. And as you can see, it recorded the audio. So let's listen to that. Again, it's really weird because I'm picking up my speakers. So if you're going to do that, what I would do is lower the audio in your speakers first and then record your voiceover. What you're ready? Well, I hear my voice through the speakers, but I can see that sounds normal once I play it back at this point. So hopefully you get the idea. And at this point, once you record it, then you can move it around.